Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my room right now. I have my little doggy on the bed. Don't mind that right there. My hamper. And don't even ask about the garbage bag that's in there. Anyways, so I just kind of wanted to come on here because I was actually thinking about maybe starting a new channel and leaving this one behind. The first time I got on here, I think it was like 2015 and 2019 now. And I was just kind of thinking that maybe I should just revamp things a little bit. I do want to post more and just, I'm older now. And so, like, some of the things that are in my or on my channel really aren't like relevant to me anymore. So yeah, guys, I don't know. And I've also been having like difficulties with my channel too, like little glitches and stuff. And so I don't know. I don't know if that would help it if I did go and start another channel or not. Oh my gosh, you guys, my hair is a mess. Look at my hair. Look at this. It is wild right now. Anyways, so yeah, I was thinking about maybe doing that. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to know your guys' suggestions and comments on more video ideas. I have a couple things that I would like to do. I would love to do an apartment tour, and then I would also like to do a more day in the life of a dog sitter, because that's currently what I'm doing right now, and just showing you guys my routines and like things I do and what I cook and all that fun stuff that adults do, and some cleaning videos, some tips and tricks that have helped me keep the house more clean. Now that I have dogs that I take care of, my house gets dirty really, really quickly. So that's an issue. And so I kind of wanted to do some videos of that. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. But I'm still not quite sure. I will let you guys know if I do another channel. But yeah, guys, that's kind of all I have for you guys for today. Been a very busy day. So my parents' house burned down 2 years ago. I don't know if I ever mentioned that. I don't think I did. But my parents' house burnt down about 2 years ago, and it is coming up the second year anniversary of that. And due to insurance purposes, we have to get everything ready. We have to buy all the furniture. The house is already all done pretty much. We just have to buy the furniture, and just for all the rooms, we have 4 bedrooms. My parents had 4 bedrooms, so we have to buy like table with like chairs, couches. We have to get beds. Also, what am I thinking? Like drawers. We have to get, table. If I think I probably already mentioned that, but just like we gotta get everything, and it's not necessarily that everything has to be at the house, but we have to have like the receipts proving that we like bought stuff for like insurance. And so we had to go do all of that, and that's kind of what I was doing today with my sister. I was just going to several furniture stores to just give my mom an idea. My mom is a teacher, and so it's really hard for her to do all that stuff because she comes home so late. So we've just kind of been doing everything for her, which is hard because it's hard to buy things for other people, especially like when it's so, furniture is such a personal thing, because like you're not gonna like everything that the other person likes. So it's kind of hard because we have to pick, fabric and colors and styles and stuff. And even though my sister and I kind of have an idea, it's still really hard. And she still has to go and approve everything. So that's kind of what we've been doing today. So it's been kind of a long day. And then, of course, I have my dog business. And so I've been doing that as well. Sorry for the shaky camera. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with. Probably going to be dealing with that all summer. But we kind of have to do this. We have to have all the furniture bought by the end of June, which is a 2-year anniversary of the fire. So, like I said, the house is already done. Just a couple more things, I think, and then we are ready to pretty much furnish the place. So yeah, you guys, I've had a really busy day. I'm really oily and gross. Look at these bags, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm a mess right now. It has been a long day. I've been up since like 6 o'clock today. So, because my first client came at 7:30. So I had to get ready and do everything. And then I cleaned my house partially. So it's just been a really busy day. But anyways, let me know, you guys, what you think about this new channel thing. Let me know if that's like you would follow me there or not. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.